Hi.
There you
You
are.
see, I'm in my car. But I think
Um,
it's good to talk to you finally. I'm sorry about all the misunderstanding.
no problem.
Um,
Yep.
I think we can be very brief in what I need and what you can think about if you can help me with that or not.
Sure.
What I built a children's app actually by myself, and I made it in Passion.io. It was a tool that I bought just to make an app. The thing is, it's what it does. The app is for children to listen to a story about the popcorn. It's called YouPop, and it's like relaxing exercise for children. There's also
Right.
e-learning I made for school with a school tool. I made it in Huddle. I made it myself. It's very easy. And what I need right now is an app that can be sold in the Google and in the App Store, the Apple App Store, I think it's called, for everybody to buy it. Especially we start in the Netherlands and then later on I would like to have it internationally. So also in English. Maybe in German or French, but these are small stories, about 5 to 8 minutes, and people can listen to them. So you click on a button and then you listen to the story. And it's like with easy, it is with little drawings, and all you do is just click the button and listen to the story. It should be very easy for users because it's for children. And the age of the children is like 4 till 8. Or 4 years old till 8 years old for young children in a lower school. And all I want just for them to have an app they can click on and listen to a story and just relax for a couple of minutes, like 8 minutes or something.
Right.
And
Right.
that's what I need actually. There's also a little page for parents with instruction video. I can send you that video. I don't know if I have already sent it to you. It's my animated video that says this is YouPop and this is how it works and what it does. So
Right.
maybe if you can send me, I think maybe an email address, I can send it via WeTransfer because I think it's too big just to send it over this app. But then you can see what it is about, and I can send you some pictures. I think I already sent you some pictures of the popcorn. Yeah, so every story has a special picture with it. And beside that picture, I want to be a black and white one. I have it already to be like, how do you call it? To color for kids, to color. They can print it out and then they can color it in.
Right.
So they can work with the team. Let's call it a team. So that's actually that's it. That's
Great.
everything that's in the app.
Great. Thank you for sharing more about the vision and the concept behind the children's app. And I would say it's very fascinating to learn that you've previously worked with Impression.io and are now focusing on creating an application that features short, relaxing stories for children. And your idea of 5 to 8 minute stories about themes like popcorn is intriguing and sounds like it would greatly appealing to young mind. And I completely
Yes.
understand your goal of making this app easily accessible, especially to children around 8 year old and
Yeah.
ensuring it's user friendly. I would say creating an app that can be sold on platforms like the Google Play Store and App Store, and which would appeal to an international audience, particularly English and Dutch, aligns well with our
Yes.
expertise. We can absolutely do that, and our team is fully equipped to develop the app that would meet these requirements. And we would love to see the picture you mentioned and the animation to better understand the vision for those, like the animation. And once we have a clear idea of the preferences in terms of style and color scheme, we will be able to
Yeah.
tailor that.
I have because I have a technical somebody who's making all my drawings, and she has also made a palette of the colors. That's because there's a special color palette and letter type that's coming with the whole team, and also with the books that are coming, etc. So it's a whole team. So I can send it to you, but you can tell me what's best to send it in, maybe in via WeTransfer, or maybe you would like to have it in Fiverr. I have no idea how I can send big files to you.
Yeah, a link would definitely be very helpful if you could send the link to us. May it be the WeTransfer or Google Drive. You can just send the link to us on Fiverr, or we can link our email as well. But I think Fiverr would be the suitable platform because we all of our team would have access to Fiverr, and then we can look at those materials.
Yeah, okay. Because I don't know how to make a link. So I have
Sure.
yeah, so then I have to open up my computers for you to go in there.
I
You
mean,
see,
we can send you step-by-step procedure of how you would be able to upload those material and send the link to us. That is no problem.
Oh,
After this
okay.
meeting, we can send that to you.
Okay, if you can do that, I'll do that tomorrow morning, and then I can send everything to you. And
Sure,
then you
sure.
have an idea of the color team, and then you have an idea of how I'll send one to you. It's in Dutch because I thought I first do it in Dutch. When it's working, we can go for, because there's a voiceover doing all the exercises. So she has to do it in English and then she has to do it in German. So I thought start first with Dutch because I'm Dutch. So we're gonna introduce it on the Dutch market and then start putting it more international. So it will be in Dutch, but it will give you an idea of what it's like and how
Right.
it sounds. So you have just that it's an audio file and how it looks. I can also send you the link because I'm working with Huddle. Huddle is the program that I use for the Dutch, like the e-learning tool. It's
Right.
very easy. I made it for schools, so it's easy. They click on it. They pay for a half a year. They pay for it, and then they get like for half a year they get their documents, and they get some materials with it. So I have it in Huddle, so I can also send you a link and a user and a password for that, so you can try it over there.
Right.
I will send you. So
That
then
would
you
be
can see a little of what I would like, and maybe you can just switch it in your mind to yeah, for children usable app. That I just want them to put their finger on a picture like I like this one with the rainbow, and then they put it, and then boom, then the story is coming. This is you, Bob. Welcome. I'm gonna take you down the rainbow slide, and you go sit, and so they can listen to the story. Like very easy for children and their
right.
grandparents, because grandparents are also not very keen on touching the right buttons, right? Because they don't know
Yeah,
what to do. Most of
makes
the
sense.
time, the children know better than the grandparents.
I agree. I agree. And
Yes.
yeah,
Okay.
about like establishing the app success in the Dutch market, we can absolutely then seamlessly transition to an international audience. This phased approach will give us valuable insights and feedback, which we can incorporate before expanding globally. And yeah, we can handle these stages efficiently, ensuring that the transition from the local Dutch market to international market is smooth. And yeah, please go ahead and send us the link along with the user credentials. We will ensure to access the necessary documents and materials. This will be helpful in aligning our development work with the existing e-learning content. And of course, the idea of a welcome rainbow slide sounds like a fantastic way to draw users into the experience from the moment they open the app. And we will
Yeah.
incorporate this concept into the design plan, ensuring that the rainbow animation is vibrant. And one thing I'd like to, if you have a few minutes, I would just go over few of the modules so that we make sure that we are on the same page here and we align perfectly with the vision. Do you mind if I just let you know briefly about the modules that we have already discussed? And of course, we can then move towards the document and how you would be able to upload those for us.
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, we discussed the user interface and experience, and as you discussed right now, the app will feature an intuitive and child-friendly interface. This would ensure navigation for both children and parents, and the design will be vibrant. Yet it would be very calming to align with the app's relaxation theme, as you mentioned. And for the audio content management, we've already discussed that this module would allow for efficient management of audio files. It includes uploading new relaxation audios and categorizing them and updating content as needed. And of course, for the multi-language support, which you are emphasizing again and again, will start with Dutch and English language, and the app will be designed for easy addition of new languages, which would broaden its accessibility to a global audience once we have tested out the waters for the Dutch market. And there's
Yes.
going to be the family policy compliance, there's going to be the push notifications and the user feedback and support. And of course, we need to track the app's performance and user engagement. So we would make sure that we integrate an analytics module. This will help in making data-driven decisions for future updates and improvement. And yeah, I think that would be it from my end.
Yeah. And about the family policy that you were talking about, the thing that I was blocked in the Passion IO app that I created myself was that I could not find the right family policy to have it marketed internationally on Google and the App Store. And the Passion IO did not want to have any children's app in their tool because they said, yeah, we are not sure about that. And you have to make your own family policy. And how about the family policy? Are you used to working with family policies for apps? Do you have them like cut and paste and make it for you, Bob? Is it compliant for everybody? How does it work? Because do I have to find somebody to make it compliant for me? Do I have to get a legal department attached?
No, I would say we have plenty of experience navigating the complexities of family policy across different platforms and regions. I mean, First of all, we do this research and compliance. So we will conduct thorough research on the family policies of major app stores like Google Play and App Store because their policies very frequently. So we need to make sure that
Yes.
we are updated on that. This includes understanding the requirement of child-friendly apps in different regions, focusing on privacy, content, and age appropriateness. And we would make sure that there is tailored content and features. So we would make sure including stories, animation, interactive elements are suitable for children and comply with international standards. So we would do all of that from our end because our goal is to create an app that is not only engaging at education for children, but also trustworthy and compliant for
Yes.
parents and educators globally. So we will work on these aspects to navigate these policies and create an app that would meet international standards. So you don't have to worry about that. We can take care of that.
Okay. That's wonderful. Okay. Okay. So if you can send me the documents for me how to send you the right information about all the things that you want to know about YouPop, I'll make the document ready and I'll send it to you tomorrow. And yeah, then we can discuss it from there.
Sounds great, Rachel. It was really nice talking to
Okay.
you and looking forward to our further
Wonderful.
communication.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a
You're
good
welcome.
day.
Have a great day.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Bye bye. Bye.